In this review, we're diving deep into the luxurious and elusive Ritz Carlton Credit Card, which is no longer available for direct application, but can still be obtained through a product change. This card is packed with high-end benefits, and we'll explore why some people may want to consider it. But like every premium product, there are some things to think about before diving in. While you can't directly apply for the Ritz Carlton Credit Card, you can get it by doing a product change from one of Chase's personal Marriott Bonvoy credit cards like the Marriott Bonvoy Bold or Marriott Bonvoy Boundless cards. Keep in mind, you need to hold a Marriott card for at least 12 months before you're eligible to change it. If you're interested in this card, make sure to start with a Marriott Bonvoy card, use it for a year, and then call Chase to inquire about changing to the Ritz Carlton Credit Card. One of the key reasons to consider the Ritz Carlton Credit Card is its luxurious perks. For an annual fee of $450, cardholders receive some substantial benefits. You earn 6 times Marriott Bonvoy points on Marriott stays, 3 times Bonvoy points on dining, airfare, and rental cars, and 2 times Bonvoy points on all other purchases. Each year, you'll also get a free night award that can be used at any Marriott Bonvoy property, costing up to 85,000 Bonvoy points. You can even top this off with an additional 15,000 points for higher-end stays. The card offers automatic Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status and 15 Elite nights each year towards earning higher status. If you travel often, the Ritz Carlton Credit Card's Priority Pass membership is a valuable perk, granting access to over 1 in 300 airport lounges worldwide. Plus, you can add authorized users at no extra cost, and they too get Priority Pass access. The card also provides a $300 annual travel credit, which can be applied to things like seat upgrades, in-flight meals, or baggage fees, making it easier to justify the high annual fee. There's also a Global Entry or TSA per check fee credit available every 4 years. On top of all that, one of the most exclusive benefits is 3 Ritz Carlton Club level upgrades per year. These can be used on stays of up to 7 nights, but must be booked with cash rates, and availability is often limited. The Ritz Carlton Credit Card isn't for everyone, but if you're a frequent traveler who stays at Marriott properties, the benefits can more than make up for the cost. The free night alone, valued at up to 85,000 Bonvoy points, could cover a good portion of the annual fee. Add in the $300 travel credit, and you're looking at a card that pays for itself if you use the perks wisely. For those who frequently travel with family or friends, the ability to add authorized users without additional cost for lounge access is a huge advantage. This benefit makes the card stand out among others. However, the limitations on the Ritz Carlton Club level upgrades, which can only be applied to standard rooms and not suites, might be frustrating for those looking for the ultimate luxury experience. The Ritz Carlton Credit Card is an excellent choice for frequent travelers looking to enjoy premium Marriott and Ritz Carlton benefits. However, it's not a card for casual users or those who don't travel often. If the idea of free airport lounge access, luxury hotel perks, and a generous travel credit appeals to you, and you're willing to put in the effort to product change, this card might be worth a serious look. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.